Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you all about how I refresh my curls. So these are my day 2 curls. I woke up, took my bonnet out, shaped my hair around, then I went to training, did a training session, rode my bike back, so I had a helmet on my head. So as you can see, these curls are not too bad, a little bit flat on top, but I haven't used any products so far. Oh, it's so bright. Why is it so bright? I have 4 products. Ugh, my hand looks so weird. So I have 4 products which are my go-tos that I always use and I can always count on when I refresh my curls. My first product is the Which I Love Your Hair Magic Mist. This product was sent to me from America. It's amazing. I literally love it so much. It smells great and it does everything. It does everything. You can use it as a refreshing spray, which I always do. You can use it as a weightless leave-in, build up free dry shampoo, scalp treatment for growth. The list goes on and on. I highly recommend this, and it does not weigh those fine curls down if you have fine curly hair like me. It also is CG friendly. It has amazing ingredients. So good. All organic oils. You got lavender, you got peppermint, you got rosemary, you got Jamaican black castor oil, you got argan. This stuff is the best. On to my second product, which I love to refresh my hair, is Flora. Can you see? There you go. Flora hair mist. Just like the Which I Love, this is a great hair mist. It really doesn't weigh your hair down. It smells incredible. This is also full of natural ingredients, so it is CG friendly. Both of these products come in cute little travel sizes. How adorable are they? They are great to put in, oh, dropped one, whoops. They're great to put in your training bag, so if you're an athlete like me or if you go to the gym, put them in your training bag. Once you finish the session, take your bun down, take your ponytail down, and then have a little spray. It keeps your curls very moisturized and hydrated. Next up, my favorite mousse. Can you see? This is the Sunny Islands Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mousse. It's really good. It's not heavy at all and it leaves no crunch. This is another great product to use when you refresh your curls on day 2, day 3, day 4, whenever you want. And finally, my last product, which I use to refresh my curls, is, there it is, it's the Jane Carter Solution Healthy Hair Frizz-Free Styling Smoothie. This product again is not heavy at all. A little goes a long way. I literally just apply it in sections and then just finger it through my hair. Yeah, kind of like that. And to be honest, out of all 4 of these products, this is probably my least favorite, as the hair mist, they just work great on my fine curly hair. I feel like if you've got thin hair, you don't want to weigh your curls down too much on day 2 or day 3. You're better off just using a hair mist to keep those curls more defined. So now I'm going to show you guys how to refresh your curls. This side, whew, it seriously needs some love. That is not okay. But this side, I like. Anyway, today I will be using the Which I Love to refresh my curls so you can see exactly how I do it. First off, you're going to take a water bottle and you're literally just going to spray your hair with water all over. Next up, take the Which I Love Magic and spray it all over your hair from the roots all the way down to the ends. Normally I wouldn't say spray the roots, but because this product is so lightweight, you can get away with it. As you can see, my hair is pretty wet. It's not soaking wet like it is on a wash and go, but it is pretty wet. Lovely. I'm now going to air dry and I will come back to you guys when it is fully dry. So this is my hair fully dry. As you can see, the curls are a lot tighter, they're moisturized and they're looking pretty. What I'm going to do now is take the Which I Love spray, put a tiny bit in my hands and massage it into my scalp to create a bit more volume. When you massage it into your scalp, just do tiny little circle motions. And here are the final results. This side's always a little bit looser, but it's really tight. A lot more better than before. Looks so much better. Yay. Because I have training again, I'm now going to have to put my hair up, hair down, and I use these tiny little clips so it doesn't pull too hard on the front of my hair, because I noticed when I kept scraping my hair back constantly, my hair would be a lot looser at the front because I'm constantly making it slip back literally like that, which is not okay. So these are the final results. Yep, I am super happy with them. Curls that look moisturised, very defined. I'm going to show you the back of my hair. Let me spin around. I don't know if you can see. So, blah 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 blah. If my curls are looking really good on day 2, I don't apply as much water as what I did when I showed you today. I just apply a little bit of water and then I apply the mist or the mousse on top of it. Or even sometimes I just apply the mousse or the mist. I don't even apply any water, but that is if my curls are so good on day 2, and I mean really good.